exciting time right here in the city of Lagos, Lucky IMAX, because we're all out here for the grand premiere of the Ghost and the Tout 2, and also it is a double celebration. I mean, it's the world best Toyin Abraham at JM's birthday, and also the grand premiere of our movie, The Ghost and the Tout 2. I'm super excited because there's going to be a grand performance by the one and only legendary King Sunny Ade. Guys, it's about to be some Owambe dance right here, and I've got an amazing and lot of celebrities right here. I mean, check out this movie. It's well star-studded. I mean, I've got Toyin Abraham at JME, I've got Osas, I've got Mercy Johnson Okoje, and many other Nigerian big names right here in this movie, and I'm super excited to bring them right here on this carpet. Let's see what they have to say about the Ghost and the Tout, and also their birthday wishes for the celebrant. Come along with us, guys. It's to Plugtv right here in Lagos, and it's your girl, into the NNY, BERRY. Anybody, stay online with us. Don't go anywhere. Here at the movie premiere of The Ghost and the Tout 2, and with me here is Mommy Jaye.
You look sexy. What's up?
You're sexy. You're sexy. I'm sure when I'm 80, you still be saying, I'm sexy.
Yes, that's the
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
How do you feel to be here this evening?
I'm very excited. You know the movie is going to be fun.
Yeah.
I want to laugh.
Okay.
And I know I'm going to laugh.
Okay. So which of your favorite actor are you looking for?
Toyin herself, Gogo, and of course, Mercy. You know, the two of them, the combination, Omowori and the rest.
Okay.
I can't wait.
I know it's going to be a great movie. I mean, from the thriller, you could tell like Toyin has done another one. So it's like, let's come and savor all the exciting moments.
Guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Ghost and the Tout 2, and I'm super excited with these guests I have here because it's been a while. I don't think this is your first time in a movie premiere, am I right?
Yes, I think so. Yes.
Yes, guys,
This is Afe of Big Brother Naija. What's up? What's going on?
I'm good. This might be my second time. I can't really remember. I'm good.
But for me, it's your first time because I come to
What's going on? My EP, my EP is out right now against all odds. You all should go and stream it. So I have songs like Galante, SOG there, and it's banging.
Yeah. So tell me, Afe, what excites you about this evening's program?
Oh yeah, the Ghost and the Tout one was awesome, and this
You watched it, right?
Yes, and this is Ghost and the Tout 2, and we have Mercy Johnson, we have Toyin Abraham, the producer and the director of Osas, so you know that it's going to be awesome.
Okay, still live here at the movie premiere of The Ghost and the Tout 2, and with me here is your baby, the one and only Juliana. She's looking so beautiful, guys. Take a look at you. Just turn around. Turn around.
Turn around. Let us see.
We are going to get the full picture on Instagram. Yes.
All right. So tell me, your baby, how you doing? Tell me how excited you are to be here.
I'm really excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I can't wait to see the movie, honestly, because we've been anticipating, and we've seen the poster. Honestly, I don't want to talk too much because, if you really talk too much, you look as if we are overhyping it. But this one is not the matter of we are overhyping because this movie, is loud. So you have to go out to watch it starting from the 10th of September, which is next Friday. So go to the cinema and see Ghost and the Tout. I can't wait to see it because I know it's going to be hilarious.
As you're moving, watch your back. Watch your back.
and the Tout too. And with me here is the most handsome Nollywood actor I've ever met. I've come across with. Give it up for Mr. Muyiwa Ademola. What's going on?
I like the way you called my name. Mr. Muyiwa Ademola. As in, you just TH that. I love that. Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Muyiwa Ademola. People call me Authentic. I am a filmmaker and we are here live at the grand premiere of The Ghost and the Tout. Tout. Oh. Well, let me start by saying happy birthday to Toyin Abrahams. Toyin, I wish you long life and prosperity.
Amen.
Everything you lay your hands upon shall prosper.
Amen.
So, to Goes on the Tout. Yeah. See, if you want to watch this film, make sure you do not take anything purpley. You go choke. Goes on the Tout. Yeah. You will laugh. You see, Toyin brought all those actors with lost nuts. The nuts to their brain. You know, it's lost already, you know, and so you have to laugh and laugh and laugh and laugh. So, 10th of September, 2021, The Ghost and the Tout will be all over. Go watch it. God bless you. From the Authentic One.
The Ghost and the Tout 2 movie premiere, and with me here is the one and only IY Sexy. I mean, just take a look at Mama, just from the shoe. Mama, turn around. Great. What's going on, Mama?
I'm good. I'm fine.
Your age, like
Osarubo Nigeria.
Okay, so Mama, tell me, what are your expectations? Or before that, show me how excited you are to be right here.
I'm super excited because, I mean, super excited, you know, because it's not easy to produce a movie, or not to talk of producing, you know, a blockbuster movie. Like, this is super big, and it entails a lot of energy, money, you know, a lot of things go into it. So, I mean, you just have to hope for the best. I mean, Toyin right now, she's going to be on her toes until the box office starts smiling back at her. So,
okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Ghost and the Tout, and I'm super excited to have Lala right here with me. What's going on, Mama?
I'm good, thank you.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you very much.
I must say that this is actually my first time I'm going to see you in a movie premiere, baby.
Well, I haven't been out in a while, so yes. Yes.
How's the baby doing?
He's doing very well.
All right, so Mama, tell me, how excited are you to be here? Show it to me.
I don't know, but I'm really excited. I'm very proud of Toyin. I'm very proud of where the industry is and everything that she's doing, and I'm looking forward to watching the film.
I mean, absolutely, it's a Toyin Abraham production, so you don't want to miss it, obviously. We have Mercy Johnson. I mean, obviously, some of your other faves are in this movie, and I think it's a great storyline. I do know oftentimes that Nollywood gets, you know, slack for not having great stories, all those kind of things. This is a great story, and I think anybody would love to watch.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Ghost and the Tout, and one of the lead role actor right here is with me. I am Mrs. Mercy Johnson Okoje, right?
Oh, perfect. I like that. You got my name.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, how are you? I'm good.
You look so beautiful. So tell me, how long did it take you to look this gorgeous?
I think 4 days. Yeah. Wearing Rogers, styled by Timmy.
Okay.
It took 4 days for him to get this look together.
All right.
I asked him to add more effort when they told me Toyin said we're going to get 150K for the dressing. So
You're all here for the money.
don't play me.
Okay, ma'am, I will need you to sell out this movie. Let's assume you're not in this movie, and you want to sell it out to someone that is not really interested in Nigerian movie. How would you sell it out?
Who cannot be interested? World best is in it. What I mean is, like, some of us love to do stories that educate and also entertain. So there are certain parts that you see in a movie and then you understand we didn't come to play. And this is what it is. And as role models or as celebs, people kind of look up to you. So it's good for you to do movies that treat vices. Movies that can like cut across, you know, different genre, different sections of people, while you're entertaining them with laughter, and then you're still sending a message.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of The Ghost and the Tout 2, and with me is one of the most finest ex-male Big Brother Naija. Give it up for sir.
Leo da Silva, superstar businessman.
What's going on, bro? How you doing?
I'm good.
Okay,
How
so
you
what's
doing?
up? What inspired this outfit? Is this your touch of purple or a touch of dark blue?
It's dark blue. So you know me, I'm always looking fine. So
Yeah.
what inspired it is me wanting to look fine.
Okay,
So tell me, if you were to sell out this movie for someone out there that knows nothing about it, what are the things you're going to say about the Ghost and the Tout?
Do you want to laugh? Then watch it.
What's going on, my people? We're still live here at the movie premiere of the Ghost of the Tout too. Like, this place is bomb. If you're not here, legit fam, you're missing. Imagine who I went to bring all the way from, you know what I'm saying? The Aruba of our time. What's going on, Mama?
What's going on?
I'm good. I'm happy it's Ghost and the Tout premiere. What are you talking about? We're all, who don't breathe? We're all happy. We're all excited. I'm happy for Toyin, and that's why I'm here.
Yes, guys, this place is becoming, latest, as I have my amazing guests all gracing this occasion tonight. Take a look at this beautiful mama right here beside me. What's going on, mama?
I'm good, girl. I'm great. Thank you. My name is Adora Uko. Yeah.
Okay, so Mama, tell me, what is it you can say about this movie?
Well, I'm just looking forward to seeing it. I haven't seen part 1 that came with all the drama. You know the drama. The ghost and the drama thing, So I'm really looking forward to part 2 because, I'm sure the story will evolve and Toyin will do justice to it. So trust me, it's going to be fun all night. So I'm looking forward to having fun.
I expect a strong story because I know that the people involved in the film are people that take in what the audience say, and I believe this will be better than the first one. I believe this will make more even, and I generally expect a fantastic film because of the people behind, people involved in Ghost and the Tout too.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of the Ghost and the Tout too. All of the medias right here are all, all out for the Ghost and the Tout too, and it's so exciting to have the Ayinla 2021 in our midst. The person of Adedimeji Lateef. What's going on, bro?
Nothing much. I'm doing great.
Show
good.
How excited you are to be here tonight. Okay, if you want to sell out this movie to everyone out there that is not present, things you will say to them that will convince them to be here.
I will just tell them that you need to watch Ghost and the Tout. You understand me? Imagine. Until you see the movie, go out and watch Ghost and the Tout, then you see what I'm talking about.
All right, it's a 2-in-1 event. Right. The grand premiere and also the birthday celebration. Having the legendary King Sunny Ade right here in the building. So tell me, what are your prayers, your birthday wishes for this celebration?
I can only wish Toyin nothing but the very best in life. She's there already, and she isn't going to come down. I'm just going to tell her, Toyin, the sky is still your starting point. Go on and prosper as usual.
Yes, it's been an exciting, entertaining, a night full of so much positive energy because the movie premiere was sold out. Just take a look at what the legendary King Sunny Ade did tonight, guys. He actually came all out for the world best. Toyin Abraham Adeyemi, and the Ghost and the Tout is a movie you must watch, guys. It's coming out to the cinemas worldwide September 10, 2021, and guess what? It's my birthday. So, guys, you need to go and watch this movie as soon as it's out in all cinemas September 10, 2021. You want to laugh? you want to be educative, you want to laugh away all of the things you think is bothering you. I mean, come watch The Ghost and the Tout. Coming out September 10, 2021. Thank you so very much for staying tuned with us right here on Plug TV. It's your girl, Anybody, and I'll be signing out from here.